Hi everybody, my name's George. I'm the principal of Stallion Accountancy Services, and over the next 10 days we'll be covering in a series of short presentations something which a lot of our clients ask us about when they set up a new company, a new business, and that is whether to set up their business as a sole trader or a limited company. And over the next 10 days, we'll be going through and covering in brief detail the differences between setting up as a sole trader business and a limited company. The first thing to note is that if you set up as a sole trader business, there is no distinction between you and the business. Effectively, you and the business are one and the same thing. Whereas if you set up as a limited company, then the limited company is actually a separate legal entity to you as an individual. So again, if you are the sole trader, then you are the business owner or the proprietor, and the business and you are legally seen as one and the same thing. So in the event of a legal dispute, you can actually be sued personally unless you have some type of suitable insurance in place, e.g. professional liability, employer's liability insurance, and so on. On the other hand, if you're a limited company, then the limited company is actually a separate legal entity to you as an individual, and the limited company is owned by its shareholders. Now, typically, an owner-managed business, there is only one shareholder who is very often the director as well, but the limited company can actually have one or many shareholders, and indeed some larger companies have thousands or even millions of shareholders. Again, because the limited company is a separate legal entity to you as an individual, in the event of a legal dispute, then it is the company that will be sued rather than you as the director or you as a shareholder. The exceptions to that are if the director has maybe committed some criminal offence, i.e. fraud, or some type of health and safety offence. So that is a very brief overview between one of the main differences between a sole trader and a limited company business, and we'll go in more detail tomorrow.